Today, I will demonstrate using custom templates for the error page in OpenResty Edge's web console. Let's go to the console first. This is our sample deployment of the console. Every user would have their own deployment. First, we go to Global Config tab. Then we go to the Global Page Templates page. Here we can create some global page templates, which can be used to define customized error pages or WAF blocking pages. Now we can add a simple template by clicking this button. Here we can name this template as Error Page Template Demo. For the HTML content, you can customize it with some predefined variables, like client IP, client country, and host. We can now output the client IP, request ID, and user agent header as an example. Then we save it. Changes to this page template will be released and synced to all gateway server immediately since this is a global configuration. Next, go to our example application, testedge.com, to apply the page template as a customized error page. Enter the application. Then go to the Page Rules page. Starting by adding a new rule. We add a new action. Search for Customize Error Page. Here you choose the HTTP response status codes for the error page. We choose only 404 here. There are several ways to set the customized error page, like raw HTML or using backend URL, or global static file we already uploaded previously. And now, choose to use the global page template we just defined and named as Error Page Template Demo. Then we need to add one more action, which is called Intercept Upstream Errors. Enable this action to intercept upstream errors since we've configured the proxy to upstream. Also, we need to put this rule before any other rule so that we can return our customized error page. OK to save it. As usual, we need to make a new release to push out our new page rule. Click here to release the pending change. Ship it. It is fully synchronized now. Now the new page rule has been pushed to all the gateway clusters and servers. Our configuration changes do not require server reload, restart, or binary upgrade. So it's very efficient and scalable. Let's test a gateway server for this rule. We copy the IP address of this San Francisco gateway server. Then we test on the terminal. This is the IP address of the San Francisco gateway server we saw earlier. And this is a randomly generated URL that does not exist, so it is indeed a 404 response. Run the command. We can get the request info output in HTML, which can be helpful when something is wrong. If you want to output more info or change the style of the error page, you can just edit the page template. The changes will be released and take effect immediately. If you want to use the same error page for all applications, you can also configure a global rewrite rule. Go to Global Rewrite Rules page. Add a new rule by clicking here, and it's almost the same as the page rule in an application. We'll have another tutorial to introduce this. That's all I'd like to cover today. If you like this video, please subscribe to us on our YouTube channel. Thank you.